So in this Incite tutorial video we're going to show you how to add a module to the loop. So in this case we're going to select node 1 and expand it, select the loop that we're going to add it to, so in this case we'll do it to loop 2. Then I can look along the tabs till I find modules, and in this case let's add a CHQ PCM. Double click and it's now added at address 1. We can then expand the module. We can see that it has 4 inputs and 4 outputs, and if we want to change any of these attributes, so at this one, input number 1 is an input, so that currently is selected as zone 0. We could double click on it. We could change it from a fire type input maybe to a fault. We can then give it an input delay to say it has to be there for 20 seconds. We can get it to bypass any output delays. We can say it's non-latching and whether it's inverted or not, and we might give it something along the lines of a name that says fault door PSU fault relay, and then say save. We can do this with any of the outputs as well, so we just double click and in there we can say that this output will be default ring mode, so effectively any input that's been selected as a fire type will operate it. If that's not the case, we could uncheck it and have a cause and effects that targets this particular output specifically. We can have it silenceable, which basically means that this input will now be silenced or reset when we press the acknowledgement stroke silence button on the front of a panel. So will it act like a sounder effectively if I tick that box. And if it's going to act like a sounder, we can also give it some output delays. So we can have an output delay, first delay of maybe 1 minute, and then a second delay once they've pressed the silence button. It will extend it to another, let's say 2 minutes. You can have a duration, so basically once it's operated, how long before it resets via a timer, and we can invert the output if we want as well. You can apply a zone and then some text as well, and then save. So that's how we can add a module and how we can adjust the attributes of that module. For further information relating to Incite Fire products, don't forget to check out the website at www.incitefire.com.au.